Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. PWD Minister Sudin Dhavlikar blames houses on hilly areas and power shortage for acute water supply, issues water tanker scheme for affected areas. Church demands change in EP dates, says it will clash with St. Francis Xavier exposition dates. Exposition scheduled from 23rd November to 4th January. DGP T.N. Mohan admits drug trade in Goa but says it is on a small scale. Reveals that IB has put Goa on alert post Chennai train blast incident. State Human Rights Commission issues notice to the old age home at Aldona. Allegations of harassing a senior citizen against the old age home. And ONGC and BPCL enter semi-finals of All India Volleyball. Kukoli Union and RCF Mumbai's challenge comes to an end. Now news in detail. There is no shortage of water in Goan dams, but sadly this water does not reach needy people. People of Pedne, Murmugaon, Kankon, Sattari and many regions of Goa are experiencing water shortage. PWD Minister Sudin Dhavlikar says problem of electricity and houses on top of a hill are two main reasons why water cannot be pumped and distributed. Now, PWD is planning to initiate a scheme of distributing water tanks, but long-term solution is still not in sight. A special report.
Murgaon, Kankona, Penne, Bardes and Sattari are major 5 talukas that are currently facing water crisis. Sometimes, people don't get water for continuous 3 to 4 days. People have no other alternative than the water tankers, that too at the mercy of water transporters. In Murgaon, for last 15 days, people are facing water crisis. Officials of Water Resource Department claim there is no shortage of water in dams and the reservoirs. In fact, some dam water levels are higher than the last year, but still the taps are going dry. Now let's have a look at the water levels in major Goan dams compared to the levels in May 2013. Amthane, Anjune, Chapoli and Opa has more water than last year.
Sufficient at present आम्ही 16.08 hectare meter daily utilization at a rate of 1.86 cubic आणि याच रेटीर जर आम्ही utilization चालू दवरलें जाल्यार आमकां sufficient उदक आहा तें 2 म्हयने sufficient जातलें.
Amthane in May 2013 had 40.95 meters of water. Now it is 43.83 meters. Anjune Dam had 76.08 meters in May 2013. This May, it is 76.60 meters. Chapoli Dam had 32.28 meters of water in May 2013. This May, it has reached 32.49 meters. Salaulim Dam had 33.98 meters. Now, it has reached 32.98 meters. Opa had 21.24 meters of water in May 2013. Now, it is 21.83 meters. PWD Minister Sudin Dhavlikar points at frequent power failures and pumping capacity. He says, due to power interruption and some houses located on the hillocks, water cannot be pumped effectively. Dhavlikar says, PWD is now planning to distribute water tanks to people to expand the storage. Till then, PWD has no other alternative than the tankers.
Lightiचे interruption जे जाता, even for 10 minutes, लायनीर ते हाडपा खातीर आमकां जवळजवळ 3 ते 4 तास वयर लागता. काही वाळपय एरियेंत अशीं घरां आसा की ती दोंगराळ भागांत आसा आनी तांकां 2 तास किंवा 3 तास उदक दिलें जाल्यार प्रेशर एकदां ह्या दिसां पावना. नवी आमी स्कीम तयार करता की प्रत्येक घरांत अशें जे वयले लेवलाची घरां आसा तांकां स्टोर कॅपॅसिटी खातीर टँक दिवपाचे. टाकयाची स्कीम जी आसा ती फाटल्या फावटी सरकारान केल्ली ती कित्याक केल्ली त्याचेर इन्क्वायरी चल्ल्या आनी वास्को शहरांतूच जवळजवळ 1000 टाकयो घेवन दवरिल्ल्यो आसा त्या खातीर इन्क्वायरी विजिलन्स इन्क्वायरी चल्ल्या कारणान आमकां ते दिवपाक ना. हांवें मुख्यमंत्र्याक रिक्वेस्ट केला ती विजिलन्स इन्क्वायरी कंप्लीट करून एटलिस्ट टाकयो तरी दिवच्यो. मुळगांव एरियेकूय एकूच दीस कितें तरी पायपलायनीचो प्रॉब्लेम जाल्ल्या खातीर 8 तास उदकाचो प्रॉब्लेम जाल्लो. दिस इज अ मायनर मेंटेनन्स प्रॉब्लेम.
Dhavlikar slammed Marvin Godino for his remarks.
आतां हो इश्यू घेवन जर कोणी आमदार कितें उलयता जाल्यार ताका अर्थ ना.
माविनान तुमचें रेजिग्नेशन डिमांड केलां.
आज जर अशें कितें जर ताणें म्हटलां जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता तो सामको म्हणजे तकलेन फ्राक जाल्ल्या सारको आसा असो दिसता.
Following good rains, dams in Goa have adequate water levels, but the taps have gone dry. On one hand, government speaks of providing 24 hours water supply, but on other hand, government distribution network is growing old. Tankers don't reach on time to needy households. Past government distributed water storage tanks that led to scam and controversy. Now the incumbent government wants to toe the same line. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Church has demanded change in dates of Ife as it will clash with the dates of exposition of St. Francis Xavier. Exposition is scheduled from 23rd November to 4th January and Ife is organized between 20th to 30th November every year. When questioned, Goa police informed Prudent that it will be difficult to provide adequate security to both the events if the dates clash.
The exposition of St. Francis Xavier, the date has been finalized. It is from 22nd of November 2014 this year up to the 4th of January 2015. So this date has been finalized. The bishop has already come out with a circular also, so it is already officially out.
Exposition of St. Francis Xavier is held once in a decade. Father Alfred Vaz says that devotees across the world in large number participate in this event. Father Vaz admits that it will be difficult for the state government to provide security to both the events at a time. He recalls that people had protested in the past when Ife dates clashed with St. Francis Xavier's feast. He demanded that respecting people's sentiments, government should change the date of Ife.
We have not had an official dialogue from my side, from our side, with the government about the security. But I think certainly it is a concern of the government. They will provide security. But it would have been much better if we had to be over before the explosion. That would have been an ideal thing, wouldn't it? There wouldn't have been any clash of security, nor of the pilgrims. That would have been the real ideal thing.
SP of North Goa Priyanka Kashyap says that church has not intimated about the exposition event as of now, but it will be difficult to provide adequate security to both Ife and exposition events if its date clashes.
DGP T N Mohan also feels that exposition event and Ife should not clash with each other.
We would like to have separate dates if that is what is ideal for us. So we हम तो dates का clash का हम workout कर रहे हैं. We want it to be separate if we can, because exposition is very major for us and it happens once in a decade, as you know.
Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
Kukoli police have nabbed the accused in the 6-year-old girl murder case. Police have arrested one Shashikant Gaonkar, native of Karwar, residing at Pottamal in Kukoli. Girl was missing for the past 7 days and her body was found nearby her house. Police are interrogating accused Shashikant Gaonkar. Police say it's confirmed that the girl was murdered. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.